Hello everyone, I am Abir. I have made a bath mock using the Freecad software. This is the final mock. To make it, first I make this main portion. So this is my main. Draw a sketch which has a bottom radius of 50mm, top radius of 70mm and a height of 140mm. Then from the part design workbench, I perform a revolution operation over them and then I do a thickness of 2.5mm. I make another sketch on this datum plane and do the pad operation to make this rim. Then I took a sphere from the part and place it in a proper position and do a boolean cut operation between this sphere and the main body to get this body, which is a groove here. I have made the handle separately. To make this, I have used several sketches on several datum planes and then the pad operations and the pocket operations. Then I use a boolean union operation between this handle and this body to get this main body. I place this main body 4.5mm over the XY plane. Then I make another body 002 rim below the mark. Then from the draft workbench, I use this tool to write two texts, that is Abir and IIT KGP, and I extrude them from the part workbench and place them in a proper position below our mark. I use part boolean operation of union between all four bodies. They are the extrude 1, extrude body 2 and our main body to get this final mark. This is our final mark, which has the name of this below it and all these things. Then from the mesh design workbench, I do create a mesh from the shape to get a mesh of the outer surface of this final body. This is my mesh. I get this. I select this mesh and go to export. Export this mesh as a STL file. I have opened the STL file of my mock. Now I am on Ultimaker Cura, from where I am opening my project and I am reducing its size to 40% of its original size. Here is the printing options. I have taken 100% infill density, speed as 50 and adjacent type as beam and a support. I am slicing it. It is taking 6 hours and 24 minutes to print. Here is the preview and that's how it is going to be print. At last I am making its G-code file. Thank you.